Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can download and install the Temu app on your device. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, if you're on a PC, you don't need to install the Temu app. You just need to access their website through the internet, through your internet browser, and you can start buying and doing whatever you want with it on the web page. Now, to install it on your mobile device, what you need to do is you need to go into your app store, either the Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then download it from here. So all you need to do is just go to search and search for the Temu app. So just type in Temu, search for Temu, and as you can see, this is where it is. So all you need to do is click install, and once it installs, you'll be able to open it and log in, and that's pretty much it. Now, if I click open, as you can see, it'll just take me to the Temu app, and this is your main page. However, most of your, this is where you'll do most of your shopping, but most of your settings are located on the U page. You can view your orders, your messages, and everything there. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is just install it through your app store on your system, and that's all there is to it. And yeah, there's nothing really else I would like to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.